I have been a rideshare driver for about 3 years now, and I have driven an electric car for almost 2 years now. I bought a Chevy Bolt, and I never thought about having an electric car until I became a rideshare driver and I started spending $300 a week for gas and maintenance just because I was driving so much. And I started to try to figure out if there was a way to be a little more strategic about being a rideshare driver. So I started looking into electric cars, and I did a ton of research, and I discovered the Chevy Bolt. I was impressed with the range, with the reliability, with the fact that I could, meet my goals as a driver while also doing something that was, really environmentally friendly. And it's been the most wonderful experience.